welcome to the Massive Truths to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today, I'll be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area I can be myself, the area I can communicate with my brothers and sisters that are like me, the area I won't be making mistake, the area I can just be me, the area people like me can really understand what I'm about to say, because it's people like me that really do urgently need this mind changing. um Before I will talk about waiting the real topic I want to talk about, I want quickly talk about something where I still see for social media. I love talking about Africa. I love to be talking about my Africa, my home, my place of birth, my mother's land. There is a say in my dialect where it say, Ewoma, how na meroyi, na your land, now you want me rain for put. I'm saying you don't want me for another places, but you felt they okay for your place first before you feel extend them to other people. I want to talk to my African brothers and sisters. Video, picture what I see for social media, it don't they go on for decades. It don't they go on for years, and which is bad. Make we stop our mindset. I keep begging everybody. I they beg my brothers and sisters every day. May we stop the way we say they think, more stop the way we say they behave. You know they help us. The picture when I see for Facebook, according to what they write for the picture, uh, uh, um, the boy allegedly thief goats. They burn the boy alive, and they burn the boy alive along with the goats. This jungle justice need to stop. I know they in any way. I know they support to thief. I know they support robbery. I know they support take wetin no be your own. But at least as human being, e no reach to burn human being alive. I still see another one. They say if the boy thief food, thief yam, they burn her alive. Make we stop this heart. Make we abeg. If we really want this change, make we be change wey we want. Wetin that goat do? Maybe the story where they write on top fit be fake news, but nothing should warrant anything, no matter wetin anybody do. My brothers and sisters, may we be human enough not to burn people alive. The worst pain, the most painful death so far, where they don't where all these researchers don't research now to burn person alive. That is the most painful death. Even devil no fit do, and that is why I not believe say devil they exist. Now we human being be devil. When we really need this change, make we change the way we take the act towards ourselves. Make we abeg. Burn goats alive. The goats now the victim. Like like one video, like my last video, I make one video concerning animal. Just I no fit repeat them again. I will encourage you now, subscribe to my YouTube, so that if you watch more of my video. I don't talk about these animals before. Now this animal be victim. Waiting the animal do, wait you will burn, wait we will burn the animal alive or even kill the animal. It don't make sense. e no make sense. Our politicians wey dey thief from us, wey dey eat our futures, we go see them, dey hail them, we go see them, dey wan take a selfie with them, we go see them, dey bow down for them make dem match us pass. But somebody like you wey dey hungry, no, to thief na very wrong thing. Ask, it shall be given. No be say because e dey for inside Bible. No, ask. Your tune really matters. Ask. No shame. Oh God, no shame. Who dey laugh better pass who dey cry. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, these things too common for Africa. Stop burning people alive. Stop this jungle justice. Protect your neighbor. Protect somebody wey you see say person wan kill. Protect. Say no to you see crowd dey beat somebody because e thief goats or e thief food to take sustain. But politicians wey make that boy go thief the goats, make that boy go thief food, make am go thief garri, make am go thief anything to take survive. We dey hate them, we dey praise them because they dey give us peanuts. We dey even do bodyguard follow them. But we will see poor people like us who go pour our frustration on top them. We should stop this act and turn this our angers to our politicians. But that one, with that, I know e no dey right for anybody at all to steal from poor person like you too. As you dey suffer, na so that person wey you steal from dey suffer. Make we stop this act. Make we abeg, make we no dey kill people like say dem be mosquito. Na human being. Make we abeg. Sometimes, yeah, fine, these people dey cause us pain too, but make we not do jungle justice. Make we not put blood for our hand. We get law. Our police, fine, we know say they want to do things fine, but me and you fit make them dey do things fine when we dey ask them for accountabilities. When they tell us say criminal run for prison, make the commissioner, make the DPO, make we protest, make they provide them, because e pass them. They dey night duty, afternoon duty, evening duty, how e take pass. They need to give us accountability. If we really want this change, we should be the change we want for ourselves. Make we abeg, make we abeg. E no good to see for eye. E no good. Make we abeg. I just hope you understand. I just hope you see from where I'm coming from. I just hope you summon that good side in you to say no to jungle justice. Please, my brothers and sisters in Africa, please, please, must stop this bloodshed. Must stop this hate. Must stop this anger. Must stop to dey invite evil spirits to ourselves. They pursue the good spirits from our lives. Make we abeg. I dey beg una with anything we una believe. Please say no to jungle justice. Say no to cruelty of animals. That animal, why they go burn the animal alive in the first place? What did the animal do? Now animal still thief. Now the goat thief itself. We should be realistic. We should be human. We no get this human being feelings. More be human. More make we abeg. Make we revive this humanity wey dey inside us, so that we fit save human race. Make we abeg. With that said, I hope I dey able to beg I dey able to put small lights on this jungle justice. It's getting out of hand. It too dey rampant. It too common. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. Make we dey give all these people wey dey commit this atrocity for our communities to police, and make sure say we dey ask our police for accountability, because na our tax dey take dey pay them. You dey pay tax as you dey for Africa. Those say we no dey know. You dey pay tax. Anything wey you dey sell, you dey pay tax put. If you dey give agberu money, na your tithe, na your tax, sorry. If you dey enter bus, you dey contribute to the economy. If you dey go hospital, you dey contribute to the economy, even if say they no dey treat us well. Anything as far as say 5 naira, 1 naira, 2 naira they come out for your hand daily, you are contributing to the economy. So we need to ask these people for accountability. Somebody need to stand up to open people eyes to say no to these things. Make we abeg. If we see say something no dey right, make we cry out. Thanks to social media, we all can speak out when we see say things no dey go right. You can be the change you want for yourself. I can build the change I want for myself, because I dey talk about maybe different things when I see and you like am. Check another thing, find another thing where you fit still create awareness to. This my platform is all about awareness. Create awareness to something where you know say no good, something where you dey give you joy. Talk about it. You be hero for any feed you foresee yourself. You be hero for any feed where you know say if you create awareness. You be hero for any feed where you feel put smile for people face. So I just hope I dey able to plead with my people to please be the change you want. Won't stop this jungle justice. So I go to my main topic. My main topic today na still about we Africans, na still about our parents, na still about we the children, na about we the grandchildren. It's high time we take a good look at ourselves, mothers, fathers, children, grandchildren. Make we start to ask ourselves simple question: why all this hate? Why we hate ourselves? Why we dey promote hate from generation to generation? Africans, my beautiful Edo people, my beautiful Benin people. I don't know, I know say it common for African, but for my own place, Edo, Benin, it took rampant, it took common, and make me want to talk about them, so that make we abeg, make we for change, make this change for come home, make the good spirits for resurrect, make the good spirit for fit guide and protect us, make the good spirit for fit they lead us to the good way. I want my beautiful land, my royal land, Benin City, Edo State, to be a place where be say people will want come see say Ateha, who imagine and whoever thinks say go be like this. That is what now waiting I dey pray put, now waiting I dey see for future, now waiting I want make my great kingdom be. Waiting they mostly they cause these things. Now our parents go get problem with their siblings. They tell their children, please father, please mother, please grandmother, make una stop this arts. And we the children, they continue from waiting they teach us. If your sister do you something, sort them out with your sister, leave your children out of it, because the way we take they think, not do not take they think. No pikin go wan hear and say somebody, bother, matter who he be, so you insult my father or you insult my mother, make I come dey happy with you. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Please, my parents, this thing too common for where me from come. Africa country, I know I can say 50% or 70% of Africa, for Africa country, this similar things still they go on. Make we abeg, if your brother do you something, sort them out with your brother, leave us the children out of it, because this seed we don't dey for ground, our ancestors don't put them for ground, we not be comot, we not see who uproot and comot for ground. You go see cousins and cousins no dey talk, they no get problem. Oh, they never quarrel for their life, maybe small quarrel and they quarrel, but ask them wetin dey quarrel. Your mama insult my mama, how dare you go carry phone insult their mama. That one pikin will never take it, he will see you any meeting don't come, then that grandchildren will still born pass the same hatred message to their children. And that is the third generation. They carry the evil tree still they go. You know, they stop. Make we stop and make we abeg. Make we abeg. Parents, my brothers and sisters, okay, more now say our parents' time now. It don't still they go. Where did they go? Now come 9 years pass. We where they still born. Make we abeg, make we call ourselves as cousins. Let's embrace ourselves. Let's live, no live wetin they tell us. Excuse me. May we live wetin our papa, our mama tell us. We not dey there when it happen. Nobody dey talk wetin do wrong. Now wetin he or she do right. Now you go always tell us. Make we not continue the anger of our parents, of our grandparents for us body. Make we abeg. Make we stop this hate. Please, if I offend you as a friend, as a sister, not tell your pikin. Because your pikin go tell e pikin, and you dey lay bad seed for ground. Which seed? Seed of hate. And na that seed we dey try to uproot from the ground. If I offend you as a friend, treat my fuck up as a friend. Rather, do away with me. If your pikin ask you, why that your friend not dey come, be mother enough, be father enough with that golden heart not to pollute your pikin mind. Tell am say friends dey get stage. All friends no dey carry, no dey follow person reach old age. The friends wey you get for primary school no be you get for secondary school. Friends wey you get for secondary school no be you get when you don dey date boy. With friend wey you come dey date boy, or no be you get again when you marry. Friends wey you get when you marry, no be you get again when you get children. So friends na season. Friends, some friends na just for season. Make your pikin understand. Make your children understand like that. Not be say you got to know that my friend. No, if you say I take disgrace me for party, no, he just do this to me. See how he come they insult me. Your child now will come get that hatred inside them. How dare you? How you will insult my mama? How you will insult my papa? Then that hate will come there. Make we abeg, make we stop all these things for the betterment of our land. For the sake of love. For the sake of love, we need to do some sacrifice to take our children off some evil things so that may life for better for us and our children. When you dey plant those evil seed for those innocent kids' mind, you dey deprive them of the good spirits. You dey plant inside them evil spirits, which is bad. Cousins and cousins no dey play. Why? Because e mama tell am say e mama na wish, e papa tell am say e papa na wish, e tell am say, and they never do these children anything. Then you come see cousins, they fight themselves because of wetin their papa and their mama do. Mama, papa, auntie, uncle, settle your scores with your brothers and sisters. Now the same womb una for commerce. And muna stop to dey give children name when not they finish for ground again. Omo visual. Omo can never be your visual. Your pikin can never be your sister. That one a name of, sorry to use the word, evil. Name where they take plant evil for pikin body. Your pikin can never be your sister. Your pikin can only be your love, your seed, your best friend. It can never be your sister. Neither your pikin can be your brother. Never. Never. Because if to say God want me be like that, if I make your pikin your sister, if I make your pikin your brother. Omo ovije, omo can never be your ovije. Or your pikin can never be your sister. That one show they show the world, they show people the kind family where that child from come. I say her, that one I name. That one I name. Don't we try. Parents are beg. Parents are beg. Make we they let some things go. The way you take hurt that your brother or that your sister, or the way they take hurt you, tell yourself the truth. Look yourself for mirror. If you never see offended, now something they cause something. Now something they lead to something. You go see some people, they go help you finish. They not get this patience, they not get endurance, they not fit exercise patience, they not fit just calm. Make that person wey dey help can't help them. They'll begin tell their children, oh, that's my sister, that's my brother, oh, na very evil and bad person. See wetin I do for am. See wetin I do for am. He not come fit help me again. He not come come and say, he not come tell me thank you. How you take know the plan wey that person get for mind? How you take know say that person no wan really come help you? Some people would help you. They go want they use you as slave. Nobody need them. If you help somebody, leave them to effects. Nobody, you know, get a person the wicked rich say you help him, say you know we can't help you back in future when he gets. My sweet grandmother say, "Oh, nene, enda." Who not gets nice stingy? I feel just get 1,000 euro just now. You know me say they free. If it be said of budget them for something, because you see, we know they talk, we know they communicate. You don't add film for your head. You don't assume, say, oh, this person get this kind of money, I be hungry, no one give me. But you don't know whether I want to use and renew my documents. You don't know whether I get problem or I want to use and take solve. You don't know. Even if say that person gets he not help you, leave him. Not be person way you help, not be go help you back. Instead of you to tell your children those things where your children before the auntie or the uncle come tell, if I bet they go, you ungrateful person. That pikin not bad. Now your mama bad because now waiting mama put for your belly. Now waiting mama put for your head or your papa put for your head. Then you consider the pikin, they act abnormal. You consider the pikin now, they insult the person where reach to born her. You consider pikin now one can react for mama and papa because if he still get blood where they hot. Now they use until they hinder our blessing. You people should take us out of your business. When you help somebody, give them time. Give them time to come repay you back. Give them time. Not they because say you help her, not they count money for one. Because say you help her, not they can't talk where just go you back. Because you help her, not come just like to use them as slave, because that person won't be your slave. That person still gets his own way of living. That person want to be free. Nobody want to be used as slave. When that person come talk now, you say, oh, this person is ungrateful. But you will do that good for them. You not talk and you can't tell them maltreat them. When the person can't talk now, oh, ungrateful now you be. This person don't be ungrateful. You can't come out, can't go the narrate them. You can't come out, can't talk, oh, this person a very wicked person. But you not talk as you can't they use this person. You forget to tell people, say, oh, see what thing I can't do. If this person come house, I go to check where he put money. If this person come house, I go to control. I take the sleep. I tell her make wake up. When you never wake up, you go to sleep. You say make you go take off your children because you feel say you keep them for house. Then that person need to come automatically be your slave. On a very good day, the person will rebel. The person will be angry. The person a human being. When the person come talk, you say, oh, now I'm grateful. As you they do for and rich. Make we change the way they talk. More change the way they think. More they feel for ourselves. Make we put ourselves for people's shoe, so that make the good spirit for come back to us. So that make our lives for better. Sometimes I tell people say, forgive, not because sometimes some people deserve your forgiveness, but because you will not forgive them, deserve them. because you will be at peace. The good spirit will be at peace with you and promote you from this level where you did to the next level. Forgive somebody because you did do yourself good. I don't know whether somebody they understand me. I just pray you see from where I'm saying from. I just pray you summon this good spirit, this good side in you. We all got it. We get them inside us. Make we abeg, make we not let our hot temper they overshadow us. Make we abeg. Make we they get time. They give people what we do good for. Make they come thank us. Make we not just feel say because we help people, automatically they will come become our slaves. No. God not create anybody to be slave. Give people time to say thank you. Give people time. You don't know what's in my mind. Neither I know what's in your mind. Some people, you will do good for them. For their mind, they get very big plan. They get big plan for you. They get big plan to take repay you back. But because you dey impatient, because you feel say you don't help this person, you don't automatically turn God, you go spoil everything. You go spoil everything. Then the person where you can't do good for will come they see you as bad person. And it is very rare to see somebody they judge come talk waiting he or she they do wrong. And it is very rare for person where they judge matter to ask that person where they judge matter, say, waiting you do this person. It is rare. So make we abeg. Parents, take your children. Come out for your brother, your sister matter. You know they hurt, it destroy family. It make family just they hate each other for no reason. For no reason. Cousin will see cousin for party, he go just come out because he see cousin for there. Ask him what happen. My mama tell me say mama come dey curse my mama, then he no come fear, he come carry phone now, he come curse my mama. For what reason? For what reason? Why you not be the matured person? Why you not be the God like? Why you not be the Jesus like? May you call that your auntie? Yes, it difficult. It is difficult where say you go fit do something when you dey angry. You go fit do something right when that anger dey inside you. It is very, very difficult, but you can do it when you truly want to do it. It is hard for me too. It is hard for me too. When when they talk like this, so if you see me say I did provoke, you know what believe say na me. And I'm blessed with a good husband where if I did provoke, I did pour everything for your body and he dey understand. You know, say get time we will reach, we will pass. He get time we will reach where I will calm down. Later I'll come tell am sorry because I don't get somebody who want pour that anger on. It's better I pour on them than I pour them outside. And people no will understand. But he will understand. Say that is not me. Sometimes for me to just control myself, I know will just talk. You go just talk. I'll just keep quiet. I'll just shut up. I'll just won't be me. I just don't want to talk to you. Because if I talk something aside a verse, that thing I can never take it back. It's difficult, I understand, but you can control yourself. You can train yourself. You can just be Jesus-like. Instead of you as pikin, as grandchild to make miles with your auntie, with your uncle, why you not bring them together? Why you not call your auntie? Why you tell your pikin this thing? And you know say we children no will take am. Auntie, go settle your matter with your sister. Go settle your matter with your brother. Take us out of it. Maybe we stop this hate. Maybe we stop this, oh, he do my mama something, he do my papa something. But that your mama not tell you, or that your papa not tell you, what did they still do their siblings? Make we abeg, make we stop this thing, make we dey take our children, make we dey take our loved ones out of this bubble. And make hate full everywhere. Wetin happen the time wey our parents small, when they dey teenage, when they never even born us, they'll come dey tell us, does it really make sense? To them, they no dey do bad. To them, now good thing that they do, but we as children suppose put stop to am. We as children suppose tell them, say, mommy fine, I understand, daddy fine, I understand, but abeg, you fit settle this matter with your sister or your brother. Settle am with am, take us out of it. And we children, make we abeg, make we understand, say these people don old, they no fit come wreck our life, they no fit wreck our happiness, they no fit use their reggae disturb our blues, because we no know we want for help each other. We na the next generation, we suppose repair wetin dey spoil. No be say make we continue from the evil seed wey they don plant for ground. With all due respect, with all due respect, I'm sick, I'm tired to see cousins they make mileys. I don't tire to see cousin go Africa, cousin they first they play when they're small, because they hear say, oh, this person do my mama this one, this person do, but he never do unto you. Now waiting you hear, you just use your head, they add the drama, you just act part one, act part two, act part three for your head. Oh, this person need to die, this person I don't need to greet him. Oh, this, you don't know, greeting they save well. And also food where they give person, they save person. Respect they save, and also food where they give, they save. If we really want this change where all of us they cry for, let us be the change we want for ourselves. I beg you. And same goes to my brothers and sisters. Una go dey quarrel, we go dey quarrel. I know they exclude myself, because I too not dey perfect. I need to still learn from wetin I still dey talk about. I need to still grow. I'm not perfect. I am working towards perfection. Some siblings go dey quarrel, or some friends. Now mind leave friends aside, because not be all friends they stay to infinity. Some friends are just part-time. When you see say your friend way not pure, cut some off. Cut them off. You not be bad person. When you see say your friend they pollute your spirit, cut that friend off. Not be all friend they follow person reach old age. Use the ones where you know the time when you small. One and gather they go primary school, they go secondary school. We all of them. Some the one where you meet for primary school, you'll see that you don't know them again. So use that one and say no. So our brothers and sisters, they go they quarrel. They go ban their children. This thing. We need to really stop this thing if we really want make our community grow. If we want make this love just expand. If we want make this love just glow, whether not glue, whether not glow, I don't know. If we want make this love, everywhere where we go, we need to change here. We need to change here. We need to change the way we see ourselves. We need to stop to see evil things from people. Not be say you know go see evil things. And when person show you red flag, when person show you red flag, when person show you who he be for the first time, believe that person. If you want to stay with the person, stay with the person. If that red flag make you just run from the person, run from the person. Because the first time a person show you who he be, believe him for who he be. No matter what he can't tell you, say, oh no, I never intended, I never mean it, no. Believe the person for the first time when he show you red flag. Brothers and sisters, go they quarrel, go ban their children, not to go, may they not go close to their brother or their sister children. You and your brother they quarrel, I take consign me with your picking. why these things e still dey go on for my community, still dey go on for the area where I for go grow. E still dey go on for Edo State, e still dey go on for Benin City, e still dey go on for Ohoro Medical, Uselu, New Benin, Upper. E still dey go on as we dey talk so, which is bad. Na seed hate, na seed of hate na we dey plant. If that seed don too big, if that tree don too big, e dey hard to uproot. The ones our great grandfather, our great grandmother don plant for ground, we no fit uproot am. Now you fit see person go talk say, him go fit kill him papa, kill him mama just to get money. And because of the hate wey they don plant, because of the seed wey don dey ground, nobody know wetin be love. Make we stop am. If you dey quarrel with your brother, you dey quarrel with your sister, don't deprive your children from playing with your brother or your sister's children. Wetin those children do? You go sit there and our parents go say, I tell you, I know that woman no dey greet me, so you, if you see the woman, no greet am. They tell small pikin make you no greet the elderly person, and you feel say they teach this pikin good thing. No, you dey teach am evil. And this pikin get good heart, he go see the woman, he go greet am. The mama go beat am, the papa go beat am. We should stop this act. We should please, I beg you, stop it. Take us off your problem. Take us comot, I beg you. The time when they make that problem, we no dey there, your children no dey there. Your children no dey there. Now so some people still be, because you know they play with them again, they no go want make their children greet you. You go even greet their children, they go say you want give am wings chop. They'll say they gonna begin to think evil things, which is bad. Please, my brothers and sisters, let's stop this evil way we take the act towards ourselves, especially the next generation. No, they teach them this hate again. Brother, sister, auntie, uncle, you dey quarrel with your brother, no dey beat your children again, say that they play with that your brother or that your sister children. E no concern them for wetin dey happen between you and your brother or your sister. E no concern them. Show them how to love. Show them how to be respectful. If they see your brother or your sister wey no dey greet you, make dem greet am. Make dem greet am. E dey grow that good spirit inside them. You see some children, because they don't learn these evil things from their parents, they go see their elderly one, because the stories where their mama, their papa don't tell, they'll see elderly old woman, they go just waiting that small pikin know. Waiting know. You'll see some children, because of the evil thing where their parents don't feed them with, you'll see small pikin 5, 6, 10, 12, 15 years. They will see elderly person waiting for 40, 50, 70 years. They will say they not throw spit. They go make sure say they throw away the spit for front of that person, and you feel say that elderly person where don't pass your age, where don't pass that small pikin age, where you know things, where don't see things, go just, you know, go feel bad. You know, go feel bad at all. Now, till you can see people when no fit take am because of the hatred where they get for the mama or where they get for the papa, they'll just go to their knee. They go pray for that innocent pikin where they act naive, where they act like small pikin. They'll go to their knee, go cry. Some mothers, because they quarrel with somebody wey no get pikin, because they quarrel with somebody wey never born, they go send their pikin make e go insult that person intentionally. The pikin na just baby, no know. The pikin no know. The pikin go just go the message. Now then you can see this woman or this man go cry, call God. Go cry, call God good spirits. then bad thing can't happen. They'll come say the woman or the man now witch. Please, mothers, please, fathers, please, brother, please, sister, take us out of your issues. The children are too innocent when you will take the follow all those evil road. I beg. The world, they danger more than what they see. Some people get ahase for mouth. Some people get, they know the importance of their tongue. Some people sabi use their tongue well. Some people sabi ask for wetin they really want. Some people fit just drink water for the fact you dey drink water too. Go use am take command something to your life. Be careful. Be careful. Please. My main message here na papa, mama, take your children off your gambling things. No dey gamble with your children life because those children are just too innocent. Those children are too innocent. If you dey quarrel with your neighbor still get this good heart, buy your children something, and you not trust this your neighbor as a matured person, as somebody wey don see things for life, let your pikin collect am. As a mother, collect am from your pikin without that your neighbor not see am. This here where Iye no hear something, belle no dey bitter. I no see something, belle no dey bitter. Make we abeg. And not let that your pikin, that your baby still know, say he or she no eat that thing where they give am. Go buy exactly like that one, give that pikin, because that your pikin is so innocent. He don't know anything. He go still go take and say, sister or brother, that thing where you buy for me, my mama collect am for my hand. Oh, you don't gree my chop am. Don't say that pikin wicked, because it's just too innocent. Because it's just too innocent. We no dey put our children in harm's way. Make we we stop this seed what we just dey plant for ground now. Make we uproot am as e never big. More let children be children. Make we abeg. Please, mothers, please, fathers, settle your scores within yourself. You no get where we dey kill ourselves dey go. You no get where we dey fight ourselves dey go. You no get who quarrel help. You no get who fight help. Now disaster na im dey cause. E dey make the evil spirit dey happy. E dey make the evil spirit dey drink wine. Say we dey kill ourselves. We be one blood. You no get wetin we want to wash the blood comot for body. It saddens my heart to see cousins dey kill themselves. It saddens my heart to see relatives they mention their names for evil things. It saddens my heart to even know some stuffs when me particular don't do because I was too naive. E no dey too late to take undo things wey you don fit do. E no dey too late to say sorry to people wey you don offend, the one wey you fit remember. E no dey too late to just make people see you say you are a changed person. E no dey too late at all. Instead, where your mama and your papa wanted to turn you to evil person, you turn your mama and your papa to good person, to see reason with you, to see reason why he or she no need to make enmity with his own siblings. Be the Jesus. Be the third party. Jesus and the third party, which is love. Make them understand things they don't understand. Make them understand, say this quarrel, no, e no call for. Make them see reason with you. I beg you. I beg you, my beloved cousins, my beloved brothers and sisters. No, they deprive your children from your brother and your sister's children. Stop it, please. Stop it. You dey plant evil seed for those children body. I hope I've been able to make my point. I hope I've been able to present my case. I hope I've been able to touch one or two persons mind to please change from these evil ways. We know they know say na evil way. We know they know say na bad thing because we dey vex. Now only when we dey vex, the devil, the evil spirit go fit take hold of us. Make we abeg, make we change from all these things wey not even dey important. If you really sit down think am well, wetin your younger sister do you, wetin your younger brother do you, wetin your senior sister or your senior brother do you, sometimes na wetin dem dey laugh put. But maybe because the tone wey they use no good, maybe the way they take present am, maybe for public na they take do am, you fit meet am, talk to am. E dey pain, but take that anger, na so God go take bless you. Hi. Na so God go take bless you. Take that anger, make am change, make am see you. Say e no pain you. No, e no be say e no pain you. E pain you, but you turn your anger to love and power. That is what I want from my brothers and sisters. Maybe from today, try teach ourselves to turn our anger to love, to turn our anger to power. When we turn our anger to power, love will reign. When we turn our anger to power, peace will reign. When we start letting people know wetin we no like with cool tone wey we dey use really matter. E really do matter. If you wan know say e matter, when you dey quarrel with somebody, the way you take put the matter, get right, you dey craze, you know, when you dey burn you. But when you wan come judge wetin happen, you no go use that tone again, because that tone go make you dey faulty. So wetin I dey try do now, when I see say that bad anger dey come inside me, I go just quick zip am up. I go just quick bring am down. I no go want make I use that key. That key matters. Always use cool tone, so that somebody wey you dey talk to, wey dey make gbag go fit understand you. You fit change this person with your own tone. You fit change this person to see love with your behavior. Now be say you don't win soul. Now be say you don't win soul to the good spirit. When you fit teach person the way the person fit dey behave. When you fit teach person say there are two ways to life. When you fit show person say no, this way na way of destruction. When you fit show person how to love itself. When you fit teach person how to control itself, let me say you don't win soul. To win soul, not to carry person go church. To win soul, not to carry person go drink beer. To win soul, not to carry person go party. To win soul, not to teach person how to be nice. To teach person how to love itself. To teach person how to be confident, no matter how you feel. Say you sabi speak your English, you not sabi speak your English. Now only your dialect you sabi speak. Be proud of it. Be proud of yourself. Make person dey proud of itself. That be say you don't win soul. When you feel calm down, talk to tiger. When you feel talk to tiger, back, you feel bring am down with your key, with your tune. Your tune and your key. When you fit bring am down, you don't win soul. You don't feel me tiger with back, everything will spoil. Everything will spoil. So please, my brothers and sisters, try to caution yourself. Try to learn how to teach your children love. Try to not make the new generation the generation of hate. We all are the same. We all are the same. If we not relate for Papa's side, we relate for Mama's side. Why we dey feel say we not relate, especially we wey come from Edo, especially we wey be Benin, why we dey feel say we not relate? Now we dey always dey ask of our papa name, we not dey ask of our mama name. When we really want to know ourselves, ask your mama name. Our mama name don't lost. On a very good day, I will still talk about that one. Our mama name don't lost. When you talk about your papa name, okay, my papa name and your papa name not be the same. How you tell no say your mama name and that person mama name not be the same? How you tell no say they not be the same family? How you tell no say they not be the same lineage? Of recent, they just found out say Queen Elizabeth say na Africa lineage na from come. E no mean say she just white now Igbo. No, our ancestors come from Africa. Our ancestors come from Africa. Ancestors lineage. So I just hope you understand. I just hope you summon this beautiful, gorgeous side of you that I'm just saying. Summon it to see from where I am coming from, to see and understand, to make the next generation a better generation, to make a change that you want. Be the change you want. The area where you feel say things not they go right, things will not they go well for your community, be that change. Talk about it in a polite way. Talk about it in a way where people will still make sense out of them. Even if say everybody not agree with you, but at least they will see say you make sense. But they not agree with you, they will only say they will see say you make sense. That is why I always tell people, please, it's not, you know, not be 100%. Not be by force say you must agree with me. No, I dey always beg, just take a little time, summon that good spirit, summon that good side in you to just see from my own angle, to just see from my universe, to just see the way I think. Maybe, just maybe, you will understand what I'm about, what I'm trying to say. Thanks for the time. This is the Massive Truths. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Throw me your question. Correct me if you still want. Talk to me if you not understand anything when I talk about. You get any question where you want ask me, inbox me. Thanks for patronizing me. Continue patronizing me so that we fit help ourselves. Make we do something with our time. Even though not just hey, you feel just so a day. At least you don't make use of that day. Do something. Be independent. Because you marry, not just you not just feel very reluctant. Me be full-time housewife. No, I'm not for that. I be feminist. Anything woman fit do, I believe say woman fit do am. You fit help your husband when you know they do anything. When you know they do anything, you not fit help your husband. Our husband too deserve gift from us. Not be only we suppose. Not be only we that suppose they give gift. When you see they give your husband gift, they make the love be tight way. So see I come your way next time. Love you guys.